up, Tesla Nation? Welcome back to another edition of T for Tesla. I am currently on top of my roof, scared half to death because I'm afraid of heights. So I'm doing it for you guys, okay? So as you can see, this is my solar panel here, all laid out really nice. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. So it looks like I have 25 panels on here, okay? I don't know, I can't tell you guys how scared I am right now. I'm afraid of heights, but I'm doing this for you guys. Okay, so it looks like there's 25 panels on there. So what they did was they didn't take out a lot of my tiles, which is great. They only took out like a small piece of it, and then what they do is they cut around it, and they put brackets into my roof, then put like tons of like these rubber coating around it. Okay, so put tons of these coating around where they drill the hole, prevent any rain from coming in. And then what they did was they went back and they put in you know, cut the tiles and put it back to where it was at. So it looks pretty neat, pretty clean. And then what it is there's rails going across the house, and all they did was just hook the panels on there, boom boom boom, really quick. That day when they came out, they hooked it pretty quick. Okay, I am gonna try this, so bear with me. Okay, I'm gonna take the camera off of the tripod and I'm gonna just move around. Okay, bear with me, it's gonna be a little shaky. Let me get you underneath view of it. So I don't know if you can see it, but see that bracket right there? See that? That's all that's coming out of the tile, that bracket. See that? So that bracket, and then what they do is they bolt some railings on it, and boom. So as you can see, there's no exposure to the elements at all, so it looks pretty good. Really in there. I'm going a little deeper right there. There you go. See that? There you go. Okay, so for some of those of you guys who were wondering if they damage how they install will damage the roof or not, it doesn't look like it. I mean, it looks pretty dang good. As you can see, the brackets are underneath the tile railings right here. That's what they put that on, and they just bolt it down, and it's super strong on there. As you can see, I'm shaking it. It's pretty good, dang good. So now we're gonna go on the other side. We just had a little bit of rain, so it's a little bit slippery up here. So I'm trying to be careful here. I'm assuming that's your ground right there. So this is here's the box to control it. It goes down here, and there's the line. It's pretty clean, pretty neat, you know, pretty clean install here. So there you have it. I'm gonna go a little bit lower. I'm on my ass right now. Sorry guys, but I am really afraid of heights. Okay, all right, so there you go. Some more line for some of those of you who ask, a little more detailed. So there it is. There you have it. Look at that beauty. Charging right now. My battery's 100%. Everything I'm producing now is going to the grid. So we had some rain and a lot of clouds this morning, but my panels were able to charge my battery 100%, both of them, by 1 o'clock, and the rest was, you know, sent to the grid. So there we go. All right, I'm gonna get the hell out of here, get down from here, because yes, I am a chicken, if any of you guys are wondering. some of you guys were asking like, hey, why didn't you go do the tiles instead? Well, here's the thing. My house, you know, is I mean, it's about 17 years old, so I mean, in house terms, that's still, you know, pretty young, right? But anyway, it's still good, so there's no reason why for me to do the you know, what is it, the tile roof, because it doesn't make sense, you know, mathematically and money wise doesn't make sense. But for those of you guys who are about to switch out a new roof, yeah, you know what, if I was going to switch out a new roof and the mathematic comes out, I would do it. But for me, didn't make sense, so I stuck with just a regular array. It's points south and it's in the back, so you know, I'm fine with it. I have no problem with it at all. So so I like it. So you know, even if I put it in the front and, you know, you see this dark panels and stuff, it wouldn't bother me at all. You know, I'm all about, you know, getting the doing the solar thing, so it doesn't matter to me. So, you know, so that's why I chose it. So there's the reason why, guys, why I chose this instead of the wait for the solar tiles. Oh, let's go. Before I say goodbye, one other thing, okay? You look underneath here where I live, see that there's a gap underneath there? There is, you know, that's a potential area for pigeon, you know, otherwise aka rats of the sky, right? You guys all know rats of the sky, right? So potential for them to live up there. They come usually around the summer, and also swallow too. So I'm gonna keep an eye out. If during the summer, they told me if they start building nests in here, give them a call right away. And what they do, come out, they're gonna put some metal meshing around it, really concealing, so they won't build a nest in there. Okay, so that's a little thing, a little extra tip there, that any of you guys are doing the install, that's something to think about. Okay, so I'm gonna keep an eye out and then let them know. But if they do build their nest there and I have to have them come out and put a fence, little metal thing around it, I will show you how it look, and if it's gonna look ugly or not, or how does it look aesthetic wise, or you know, who cares, or it's functional, and who cares about it. All right, anyway, once again, in Elon we trust. Peace. Have a wonderful day, guys.